Imagine the world of AI, where machines don't just assist in healthcare, they learn, adapt, and get better over time, much like a doctor improving with experience. But, just like with doctors, trust is critical. We trust that a healthcare device, even one powered by AI, will continue to be safe, effective, and reliable. This is where the FDA comes in, acting as both a guide and a gatekeeper. Their regulatory framework is designed to ensure that as these AI/ML-enabled devices evolve, they do so safely and responsibly, without cutting corners or jeopardizing patient well-being. At the heart of this framework is the Total Product Life Cycle (TPLC) approach, which governs everything from the device's initial creation to its ongoing performance in the real world. With this approach, the FDA ensures that innovation does not happen at the expense of patient safety. But this is a balancing act. AI devices are constantly learning, which makes them different from traditional medical tools. They improve over time, and their algorithms might even change based on new data. The framework allows these changes to happen smoothly through mechanisms like the Predetermined Change Control Plan, PCCP. This plan gives manufacturers the freedom to update their AI systems without needing a new approval every time, as long as the changes follow certain predefined guidelines. It's like letting the AI grow smarter, but making sure it's still playing by the rules. Take diagnostic devices as an example. Tools like BrainScan CT, which uses AI to detect brain lesions from CT scans, or IDx-DR, an FDA-approved tool for diagnosing diabetic retinopathy, show how AI can transform healthcare. These tools don't just rely on human judgment, they analyze medical data, often providing more accurate and timely results. But they also need continuous validation, not only before they reach the market but after they've been deployed. The FDA mandates rigorous clinical trials and good machine learning practices, GMLP, to ensure these devices maintain their accuracy and safety even as they learn from more data. Then, we have regulatory pathways like 510(k) for devices that are similar to existing ones or de novo classification for novel, moderate-risk devices. And for devices that involve higher stakes, like robotic surgery assistants, the FDA requires the more rigorous premarket approval, PMA, pathway. The FDA's AI/ML action plan takes this a step further. It's a vision of how continuously learning AI systems can be integrated into healthcare without compromising safety. This plan emphasizes real-world monitoring, ensuring that AI/ML devices remain safe and effective throughout their life cycle. Moreover, international harmonization comes into play here. The FDA collaborates with international regulators like Health Canada and the MHRA in the UK to align global standards, ensuring that AI/ML-enabled devices maintain consistent safety and efficacy across borders. This global effort helps manufacturers navigate regulations in different countries and deploy these life-saving technologies more seamlessly around the world. At the end of the day, the FDA's framework for regulating AI/ML-enabled devices is about ensuring that healthcare technology moves forward, but always with patient safety as the North Star. As AI continues to evolve, so too will the regulatory framework that governs it, an ongoing partnership between innovation and protection.